regarding spirituality, almost we insist continuous meditation. Continuous meditation means not sitting one place. To remember all the Veds. Meditation means concentration. To concentration, all layers of the concept, illusory concept will dissolve. There are so many concepts are there. Yesterday there was lecture in Marathi that regarding Das Bodha. He says, in reality, there are so many layers are there. Concept of bodies, that is food body and subtle body, in this body, in that body. So these are the concept of course layers upon your ultimate truth or presence. So through meditation, there is a direct hammering. Through meditation, you are hammering to selfless self. And with the result, the reality will open. Purpose behind that meditation and that concentration and the listening from the various masters, reading from various books, is that the spirit is very sensitive. What you impress, it reflects. So, it is, in other words, you can say it is psychological. What you impress that spirit, it reflects like that. So similarly, meditation is recommended to have meditation. It's Om Sadhana or I am Brahman, I am like that. So, while this process, you will forget your body identity. You will forget your food body identity, and the reality will be open. What is reality? It has nothing to do with the body knowledge. Body knowledge is illusion, and body is not going to continue for a long time. Body is having some time limit. So, till body touch dissolves, listen to me, till body touch dissolves, you have to undergo meditation. What do you mean by body touch dissolve? Just like we are using clothes. We are not feeling that you are using clothes. It's a very simple thing. You are using clothes, but you are not feeling that I wear a clothes. Though you are using clothes, you are even untouched with the clothes. Similarly, even if you are within the body, you are remain unconcerned with the body. You feel totally light. There is no weight, nothing is there. What we say other words. So there won't be any type of burden. You remain completely free, weightless. It's weightless, no weightless. So like that, this to have such things, you have to undergo the meditation. And the meditation leads to ultimate realization. The basically meditation which lead to realization or enlightenment. Because we have nothing to do, just we have to know that body is not my identity at all. It's a very simple thing. Because if on the strength of the body knowledge, you try to extract the spiritual knowledge, that will create the duality. Any devotee of any age, if he at all like to identify oneself, he has to undergo strictly meditation. Now that told meditation, the words are given, Soham or Shivoham or so many words are given through masters. That words hammering the meditator. And that what hammering? I am Brahman I am. I am Brahman I am. So continuous reciting the mantra, the reality that your ultimate truth will be open, and then there will be spontaneous conviction that I am not body at all. And the result is that you won't feel another body-based dream. This is a body-based dream. I am somebody else, my name is something, and I am family members, I am male or female, and my family is there, my master is there, God is there, and so many relations are there. So all relations, all needs, all requirements came along with the body. Prior to begingness, we are not unknown to everything. No God, no disciple, no devotee, no master, no brother, no sister, no father, no relations for that. Even there, because there is no body at all. So how you are prior to beingness, you just like a space or sky. Sky does not have any relations. So like that, after leaving the body or prior to being the beingness, no touch of the anything. So you remain untouched. So therefore I am insisting almost all that you got good background, you got good foundation, spiritual foundation. Now you have to just hammer yourself. You have to be totally free from the body bondages. Because body bondages, even if you have got spiritual knowledge, there is body bondage, there if you are having spiritual behind this curtain of this body bondage or body knowledge, it will not serve your purpose. So after that you will be totally free. Whatever concept will be there, you will have some exceptional internal happiness, peacefulness. Though you are living within some society or your friends or all relations, your exceptional happiness, exceptional peacefulness will be there. Though you are holding the body, you remain untouched with the body. Just like we are wearing all these clothes. So we are not feeling that I am wearing clothes. It is there, but you don't feel that I am wearing clothes. Similarly, body is the external cloth. Though you are holding the body external cloth, you will remain unconcerned with that. You will just like light, just like suppose settle it. We can't describe in any words, but that is something exceptional experience beyond imagination. Because Bhavasaheb Maharaj, while planning all this integrity sampradaya, he is having foresight that everybody should remain with this atmosphere, spiritual atmosphere all the time, because early morning bhajan, meditation, afternoon bhajan, evening bhajan, and all this because you wanted to keep yourself busy with the spirituality. And at the same time, it's a practical knowledge. You do your job, do your duties, have your responsibility, don't neglect your body. But at the same time, you should be totally conscious with your selfless self. That is the idea behind it. No doubt, he is knowing that it is a bhajan, meditation, also illusion. But it is necessary to have conviction, spontaneous conviction of your ultimate truth, ultimate identity. In the beginning, master is necessary. He may be in any form. See, I told you, I am giving an example, that master is refusing to give that education of teaching of this archery to Eklavya. But even though he prepares some statue, and under that statue, that master, he will learn archery. So in that case also, if the physical master is not available, if you suppose refuse or so, you can have this idol of this master, and that you will get instruction of the idol of the master. They are not, because master is not separate from you. Master is not separate from you. You are a master, but you are putting yourself some body form there, for that body form support will dissolve. It's very simple, but very difficult also, because you must have strong faith in your master. I told that there are so many layers upon your presence. So remove all the layers. To burn all these layers, you have to undergo strictly the meditation, and you have to follow the instruction of the master in the beginning very strictly. At the same time, you have your own responsibility, do your job, do your duties, not to neglect your duties, but at the same time, you must concentrate.